President Biden is expected to announce tomorrow whether he will resume student loan payments or cancel debt altogether. This is something millions of people in California with student debt are watching closely. Our political reporter Morgan Reiner has more on what could happen next.
Several different reports out there on what the president is going to do. One report saying that President Biden is going to forgive up to $10,000 per borrower. Now, if that happens, Republicans are saying it's just a way for Biden to buy votes.
Cody Hunanian is a first-generation college student.
My family are Armenian refugees who came to America and really felt that education was the pathway to the American dream.
California born, attended a state college, and yet he is still tens of thousands in debt.
I think it's incredibly frustrating that even our public schools can be so expensive that it can crush families in student debt. State schools can be more expensive than Ivy League private schools because they don't have the contributions from big donors to help subsidize the cost.
A decade of advocacy later, Hunanian is the director of the National Student Debt Crisis Center, headquartered in California.
There are a lot of reports as of today that the president may make an announcement around student debt cancellation tomorrow. That would be good news, but obviously, the details matter.
Biden promised on the campaign trail canceling $10,000 of debt per borrower. White House sources told media outlets it will likely be for those who are in less than $125,000 a year.
The average borrower leaves school with about $30,000 in student loan debt. With that in mind, we feel $10,000 just really isn't going to cut it for many people.
For many Republicans, it's too much. Florida Republican Representative Byron Donalds among several lawmakers tweeting that this is a way for Biden to buy votes. The Republican National Committee saying it will worsen inflation.
This is not like going out and buying a car or, putting a vacation on your credit card. This is about access to the American dream through the only pathway possible, and that is federal financial aid.
Hunanian says there's a big racial gap in student debt, too, that $10,000 will not close the gap for. He says, and data shows that an average black student has an average of $25,000 more in debt than the average white college student. And for everyone, it takes about 20 years to finally pay off those student loan payments.